So we're in Emporia, Virginia today, and I heard about this Chevrolet dealer that's got some really cool old classic cars out here, and sure enough, there are. So I'm going to take some pictures of it, we'll put it up, show it to you, because you know that's what we do, classic cars. So this is a 1950 Pontiac 4-door. And this is a really nice car. Man, this is nice. But you gotta love this stuff. Look at the chrome down the center of the hood. '50 Pontiac 4-door, complete with the fender skirts. And of course, got them wide white tires on it. That's really cool. So this is the '60 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door. First of all, as you know, we're going to check out one of my favorites. You know, I love those wide white tires. Gotta love them white wall tires. But this is a really nice '60 Chevrolet 4-door. Nice car. Really nice interior. Look at how much chrome is on the front of this car. Right down to the headlight trim. See the headlight trim's got chrome trim around it? So this is the '56 Buick Special 2-door. And again, a very nice car. This guy's got a real nice classic car collection. This is just some cool stuff. It's a '75 Corvette L82 anniversary car. Same dealership. This is a '53 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door. Also a very nice car.